Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 12. I'm Marcus Chen. In the next minutes, you'll discover a powerful AI tool or workflow that can dramatically increase your Nomad income. Today, the Visa Ready Income Kit, a repeatable AI workflow that converts your raw chats, deliverables, and payments into professional pockets immigration offices and contracting teams accept as evidence.
Hook. 2 months ago, a freelancer I coach had 3 messy Slack threads, vague Google Drive file names, and a Stripe record. She ran a 10-minute AI prompt against her exported chats and receipts, and the output, an expertly formatted client statement and timeline, was accepted by the immigration office as proof of contracted work. It sounds small, but that one prompt turned scattered admin into a visa-winning document. This changes everything for nomads.
Here's the promise. By the end of this episode, you'll have a reproducible AI stack, exact prompts you can paste and run now, and a 15-minute action that produces a complete visa-ready packet for one recent client. Let's make this actually work for you.
Section 1. Tools and the Big Picture Workflow. The stack I recommend, simple, reliable, and widely supported, looks like this. 1. ChatGPT or your preferred LLM via API for extraction and summarization. 2. Notion or Airtable as the evidence database with a consistent schema. 3. Stripe or QuickBooks for payment records. 4. A PDF generator like PDFmonkey, DocSpring, or Google Docs to assemble final packets. And 5. Zapier or Make to glue everything together. Each piece has a clear role. The LLM extracts and normalizes facts, the database stores canonical records, payment systems provide timestamps and receipts, the PDF tool creates submission-ready documents, and automation runs the workflow hands-off.
How the flow actually runs. Export chats or emails for a completed project, push that raw text into the LLM with a prompt that extracts deliverables, dates, hours, client confirmation phrases, and outcomes. The LLM returns structured fields, which you push into Notion or Airtable. A zap triggers when a record is marked Visa Package Ready. It pulls payment records from Stripe or QuickBooks, merges fields into a pre-designed PDF template, and emails a secure copy to you and the client for signature. Here's the exact implementation you can copy.
Exact ChatGPT prompt converts raw project records into a Visa-ready client statement. Input, exported chat or email text, file names, and date ranges. Output JSON with these fields: client name, project title, start date, end date, total hours, deliverables, array of title and short description, outputs, bullet, invoice reference, payment date, payment amount, client confirmation quote, if present, sources, list of file names or message timestamps. Validate ambiguous dates by flagging them in requires client confirmation. Keep language factual and neutral. Do not invent facts. If a value is missing, set it to null and add a one-line notes field explaining what's missing.
Sample Notion/Airtable schema. Record ID, client name, project title, start date, end date, total hours, deliverables, multi-row, outcomes, text, invoice ID, payment status, payment amount, payment date, file links, client confirmation, Visa Package Ready, checkbox, generated PDF URL, audit log. Use single source of truth field names so your automations never break.
Zap recipe, high level. Trigger, new or updated Airtable/Notion record with Visa_package ready equals true. Action 1, look up invoice info in Stripe/QuickBooks by invoice ID. Action 2, call ChatGPT to render a human-readable client statement. Use the JSON output fields. Action 3, merge fields into a Google Docs template or PDF API to create a packet with cover page, client statement, itemized invoice, receipts, and a short project narrative. Action 4, store PDF in cloud storage, update record with URL, and send an email to client with a one-click confirmation link. That confirmation becomes part of your audit trail.
Quick practical note. When you build the human-readable client statement from the JSON, use a neutral, verifiable voice. Example line. Between April 6th and May 2, 2025, contractor delivered 3 website templates and completed 28 billable hours. Stripe invoice number INV1023 was paid in full on May 5th, 2025. That sentence is clear, factual, and matches bank or Stripe records. Always include the source links so an immigration officer or auditor can verify.
Section 2. How this creates income and reclaims time. First, packaging this as a paid add-on. Offer clients a visa-ready documentation bundle. Price it as a flat fee or a small percentage of the project, starting at $50 for smaller jobs and $150 plus for multi-month projects. You're selling reduced friction and higher credibility. Second, defensible rate increases. When you can produce polished invoices, narratives, and evidence quickly, you charge more because perceived professionalism rises. Third, time savings. Automating weekly invoice generation and quarterly packet building can shave off hours to days per month of admin and tax prep. That reclaimed time is revenue ready.
Potential pitfalls and safeguards. AI hallucinations, privacy, and legal mismatches are real risks. Mitigations. 1. Never accept an AI extract as final. Compare the output against source files and payments, and flag any requires client confirmation fields. 2. Use anonymization or get explicit client consent before processing chats. Store exports in encrypted cloud folders. 3. Add a human-reviewed disclaimer. This document was generated using an AI-assisted workflow and has been reviewed by your name. Please verify all dates and amounts against original receipts. Also maintain an audit.log field with links to raw source files so you can prove provenance.
Section 3. Immediate 15-minute action. A 6-step checklist you can run right now on one recent client. 1. Export the chat or email thread and save it as text. 2. Open your ChatGPT prompt, the JSON extractor we gave, and paste the raw text. 3. Run the prompt and copy the JSON output. 4. Create a new Notion Airtable record with the schema we discussed and paste the JSON fields. 5. Mark visa.package.ready equals true and trigger your Zap or run the PDF template to generate a draft pocket. 6. Send the draft to your client with a brief verification request. Please confirm the dates, hours, and payment amounts in this document. That's it. In 15 minutes, you have a draft packet to finalize.
Copy-paste prompt for the human-readable client statement step. Using this JSON, write a 2-paragraph client statement for immigration purposes. Keep language factual, include exact dates, deliverables, hours, invoice IDs, payment amounts, and one client confirmation quote if present. At the end, add sources, list file links, reviewed by your name. Replace your name with your name and paste the JSON after the prompt.
A final ethical reminder. Start small, but think big. Get client permission, be transparent about AI use, and always validate. The human plus AI advantage is that you scale accuracy and speed without sacrificing trust. If a government or auditor has questions, your audit trail and client confirmation are what save you.
If you want the exact Notion and Airtable templates, the Zap recipes, plus downloadable PDF templates, and the full workbook that walks you through automating 5 packets per week, enroll in our high-income remote skills course bundle at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. The bundle includes the templates, sample ChatGPT prompt styles, and a bonus checklist you can run in under 15 minutes. Start small, scale smart, and build visa-qualifying income with confidence.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary.
Thanks for listening to the AI and Future of Work podcast. New episodes drop weekdays. Practical tools to 10x your income while you travel. I'm Marcus Chen. See you tomorrow.